Hello. Wikipedia's picture of the day, February 1, 2023. Today's video is about La Bohème. La Bohème is an opera in 4 acts composed by Giacomo Puccini between 1893 and 1895 to an Italian libretto by Luigi Illica and Giuseppe Giacosa, based on Scènes de la vie de Bohème, 1851, by Henri Murger. The opera, which had its world premiere on February 1, 1896 in Turin, is set in Paris around 1830 and shows the Bohemian lifestyle of the poor seamstress Mimì and her artist friends, including Rodolfo, Marcello, and Musetta. This 1895 poster was produced by Adolfo Hohenstein for the publishing house G Ricordi C, to advertise the musical score of La Bohème, and depicts Mimì and Rodolfo at the end of the opera's third act. Knowing that Mimì is dying and Rodolfo is too poor to help her, but too much in love to separate, they agree to remain together until the spring, when the world is coming to life again and no one feels truly alone. Meanwhile, Marcello and Musetta quarrel about Musetta's flirtatiousness and counterpoint to the other pair's reconciliation. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.